It's quiet in the corners where your laughter used to live. Your sweater's still hanging with your sweet memories. The mirror shows a stranger I don't recognize no more. Since you walked out, I'm not me anymore. Tried to bury your name in new memory, but you haunt every song, every melody. I reach for the light, but I'm stuck in the blue. Every echo still sounds like you. O te tagile po, o te tagile au, o oi o le Tātā O Lo'u Fatu. Your scent still lingers in the cracks of this house. Every shadow looks like you when I turn around. They said I'd move on, but time just stands still. When love cuts this deep, does it ever heal? I've screamed in silence, whispered to walls, pretending I'm fine while I'm waiting to fall. I open my mouth, but there's nothing new, just echoes of everything I lost with you.